Making my bed. Making my bed is something I do every morning as part of my daily routine. When I wake up, the first thing I do is get out of bed and straighten the blanket. I fluff the pillows and arrange them neatly at the head of the bed. Then, I pull the duvet or blanket tightly over the mattress to smooth out any wrinkles. Making my bed helps me start the day feeling organized and ready. My parents always tell me that making the bed makes the whole room look tidier, and I agree. Even though it's a small task, it's one that makes a big difference. I always feel proud when I finish, and I know that taking a few minutes each morning to make my bed helps me feel more organized throughout the day. It also gives me a sense of accomplishment right away.